If you're only using one outbound channel, you're leaving money on the table. Cold email is powerful. It gets into the inbox, it's scalable, and you control the narrative. But guess what? LinkedIn gives you visibility. People see your face, your profile, your mutual connections. That builds instant trust. Now imagine using both. You email them, then 24 hours later, they see your face in their LinkedIn messages, or vice versa. This omni-channel approach doubles your chances of getting noticed. It builds familiarity and boosts reply rates without doubling your workload. In this video, I'll show you how to structure your outreach to get the most out of both channels. And I'll even walk you through a campaign you can steal today. Just connect your LinkedIn account and there you go. No need for any external integrations or advanced setups. But how do you get the most out of it? Let's create a campaign using both channels. So before you send your first cold email, you can work up your visibility with LinkedIn. For that, as a first step, let's use connection request. Oh, and I'm gonna say it right up front. Take care of your LinkedIn account first. You're contacting someone that you don't know. So the first thing they probably do is check your profile. It should look reliable. So a proper profile picture, some real connections, best if mutual, some activity. Fill in your description and have some proper work experience there. Don't be a stranger if you don't have to. Then we can move on to creating a campaign. Step number 1, LinkedIn connection request. This one should be based on a short, non-salesy note, just enough to get accepted. Remember about my previous recommendations, so prepare your LinkedIn account. Step number 2 can be a LinkedIn message. Give your prospects some time to accept the connection request, so I would wait around 3 days or so before DMing them. If possible, come up with a light intro or helpful insight, no pitch yet. Again, you are not selling, just introducing yourself. If you get no reply, then after a couple of days, I'd move on to the second message on LinkedIn. Nothing fancy, a gentle, soft question like, is this topic still important or relevant? As a next step, it's time for the first cold email in our campaign. This time I'd be a bit more direct while introducing myself and my offer. Put some focus on the value proposition. If possible, rephrase it or try a different approach compared to what you used in the first LinkedIn message. First email follow-up should happen no earlier than 3 days after. This time it would be good to add some social proof or some client success story. This works like charm, as it allows your prospect to mirror their pain points and project it onto the potential solution. Second follow-up should be, I'd say, a final nudge. Your last chance might be redefining your CTA, coming up with something 180 degrees different, or at least significantly different. Whatever you can do to pursue that prospect interest. Otherwise, it might be good to craft a rather quick close-the-loop message, but I'm sure you'll get your prospect attention before you reach this step. Alright, so what you think? In my opinion, this setup can really perform miracles if done right. There are very obvious pros with no cons. If you start softly, so a connection request and a gentle nudge in their LinkedIn DMs, only to send a cold email later on, you usually look more trustworthy. You build familiarity, and this is never a bad move in cold outreach. This setup is actually mirroring how buyers often behave. They check the LinkedIn, only then do they move to replying to cold emails. And your campaign reflects that. The familiarity aspect positively impacts your replies. There's nothing better than a prospect who has already seen your name somewhere. This will definitely boost your engagement rates. Also, in Woodpecker, it is easy to automate with the LinkedIn integration. So no manual work on your end, only seamless multi-channel campaign providing you with the best results you can get. So if you're serious about booking meetings, stop choosing between email and LinkedIn. Use both. Together they convert like crazy. Let me know what you think about this and hit me up if you want to talk about LinkedIn outreach.